I don't know, man. Whatever. Log. Hey, I can't even show my logs, dude. Can't even analyze my log files, man, to try to fix this crap, dude. All right. Wish I knew what to do. It's like, oh, every time like my PC freezes and I need to like figure out what the problems are, it's like I have to come back, like I got to get back live because like it just abruptly froze, and I'm just trying to do this. I'm just trying to enjoy myself and have fun, but man, I swear to God, it's just like everything is taken away. Like I can't have fun doing this because there's always an issue with technology. Always, man. It never stops. I wish it would, but it won't. All right, it's just killing my entire mood. Oh, dude, like what? And like, who cares about Music Coin, dude? It's trash, dude. It's trash, and who cares if it breaks the upside for a second? It's awful. Who would? I mean, trading it. The only thing you're doing with Music Coin is your counter trend trading this asset. Trying to take a long here. You can't short this piece of S. You can't. There's no formal structure. There's no pattern. Not really. What do you do with it, man? This is so illiquid. This is what illiquid pieces of crap look like, man. This crap. You see this? This is illiquid stuff you should stay away from because it's so easily manipulated. People can just stop you out. It's such a joke. It's 15 sats, man. Down 6.25% because it lost literally 1 sat. Like, who even wants to mess with this stuff, man? You might as well just trade. Go trade Mitch Ray TA coin. It's a hell of a lot better than this. All right. Jeez. So I can't even fit. There's no fib. All right, fib extensions. Really, you really want a fib extension? You can't because it's all over the place, right? You would typically. In traditional markets, on something that's not like this, you'd go from your low point all the way to your high point, low to high to get your fib extensions. It doesn't even work. It won't work here. You can't do it. Or we try this, doesn't work. You're way beyond anything. It's just. What about this, man? Like, I have no words. This is why people hate crypto, because of Music Coin. All right. Yeah, sure thing, Frantic Rock. Have fun. Hey, you know what? I'll tell you this, Frantic Rock. He says, I think Music Coin is a double or nothing thing. Put in $100 and it either goes to 0 or it becomes 200. Or, Frantic Rock, you could go to a freaking casino and you get free drinks when you gamble like that, right? Why even mess with it? Why even put $100 that you earned into something like this on the offshoot maybe chance that it'll hit $200? Will you even know? Will you be like, okay, we had $200, time to sell. Is that your trading plan? Oh, we're going to double up, baby. Dude, just go play roulette, man. You got probably better chance. You got a better chance, better odds at a casino than playing Music Coin for a double up, right? It is the S coin, dude. Yeah. Yeah, Frantic Rock. Again, hey, you can go to the roulette table and place, $1,000 down on a bunch of different numbers too, and you still got decent odds compared to Music Coin or 5 random S coins. Okay, you get my point. And again, it's all about, you get free drinks, you get the atmosphere, you get to, hey, hi, how you doing, man? Oh yeah, I'm from Arizona. Oh, I'm from Canada. Okay, hey, you're meeting people, you're having a good time, enjoying things, instead of just sitting behind your PC gambling on this crap, man. I'm just saying, man. If you're gonna gamble, just go to Vegas, dude. Okay, that's it. Here we go, man. I'm gonna give it a shot, all right? Give it a shot. All right, 1 and 2 and 3. That's it. That's all I got for you. There you have it. We did it, man. We've done it. We charted Music Coin. Are we cool, man? Anyone? You got notified? Well, you just got played because it's only because my PC froze and I went live again. Jeez, man. You can't catch a break, dude. Like I'm just like exhausted and just like going nonstop. And this is how how the universe rewards me. Thanks, universe. We appreciate it. Okay, there we go. Get me out of here. Whew. All right, man. You made a third hurrah, the rule of three. 1, 2, 3, right? Do I think we'll make it down to 4,800 to 4,200? Yeah, probably. Yeah, in time. I think eventually we'll break and make some just common retraces for the major 11 December 15th to where we decide to top out at.
Which I feel like I need to justify myself, lol. Who cares about music coin? Miners, it's still one of the most profitable coins to mine. Period. I have my 50 mining rigs mining it. No idea what to do. Now I do, lol.
Yeah, dude. Well, I'm not a miner, man, okay? But, hey, man. You're mining and you're collecting music coin, which is probably going to go to zero at some point. So you're mining something and wasting your energy and electricity on something that probably won't... Do you really think music coin will exist in 3 to 5 years? So you're just acquiring something that will be literally useless in years. In a few years, right? So... That's cool though, man. I didn't know that. It's a profitable... Is it profitable? I mean, like, you're actually making money. I guess you could mine it and then sell it for Bitcoin, right? Is that what you do? Is that how it works for the miners, dude? You just sell it for a less S coin and then they collect, turn it into cash? Thanks, man, for the contribution, dude. The $4 of Ethereum, dude, okay? Much love. What's up, big fella? Yeah, coffee. Let me just pour some coffee all over this piece of crap. It still has a chance, man. Yeah, dude. Yeah, it has a chance like Dumb and Dumber. Okay. No, man, like, and this didn't I still don't even know, man. We haven't finished analyzing the situation with the lady, okay? I need more talk about that. Thanks. That's right, Chris Easton. Exactly, dude. You know me, dude. There you go, dude. If you know something fundamentally about music coin, keep it to yourself. Don't let us know so we can't buy it. Wait, that's not how this community works, right? I thought this community was all about empowering others with information and knowledge, right? Not keeping secrets, dudes. Flibbita BC, Brown Griffin, all ended, Kappa. 98 more streams, King Logan, and it will be program number 589. Oh my god, dude, that's gonna be a crazy stream. Okay, wow, y'all like talking about your fecal matter. Kind of weird. All right. So JR, man. RJ Jamal. You couldn't play a song in a penny jukebox with it? Yeah, dude. Well, a lot of S-coins are like that, right? I don't know don't know, man. Whatever, dude. This is what I'm talking about. The PC freezes and it kills my entire stream. The momentum's dead. It's like over. It's like when these freezes happen, I might as well just not come back live. It's just because it's just over, man. Like, no one knows what's going on. I go live again, and it's just like, this is stupid, man.
Essentially, you mine a coin that is worth most in BTC or USD or GBP, then either hold or sell. Musicoin has consistently been the most profitable to mine in terms of difficulty and price valuation divided by price, so to speak.
Very cool, Ryson, man. Dude, thanks for the $4 of Ethereum, man. Dude, top Jesus of the evening, man. Thank you, dude, for all the cryptocurrency love, man. Okay. Really appreciate that, because I'm like on tilt right now with my attitude. I feel like it's just like I'm exhausted and just been going nonstop. But that's cool, man. So is it like some form of arbitrage or something? Like you find out what is worth the most in BTC or USD or Great Britain pound, either hold or sell. Do you normally sell? Do you hold Musicoin? Do you normally always sell it? There you go, Frantic Rock. Man, rest in peace. Oh, I might see Bitcoin hit 6K tonight. Okay, man. Alright. I just like, man, I'd love to see it. Look, you're not going to hear me like being mad about Bitcoin hitting 6,000. Okay, you will not hear it. But it's just like, I mean, there's resistances for a reason, but hey, I mean, you're rejecting the resistances, you're running back up, and you're kind of just hugging them. Hey, you know how it is. When you hug a resistance or support long enough, and you don't bounce off, when you stop bouncing off of it, like with like, you know, volatility, then it starts becoming weaker and weaker, and then it could be broken, right? But I mean, the oscillator's kind of gross, man, isn't it? Oh my god, hold on, I'm gonna sneeze. God, it's like I muted my effing mic, and then like it unmuted, and then I tried to sneeze, and I saw it was muted. I'm like, oh, this is gonna be real loud. Ow, man. Ow. Overbought. Yep, lower levels of relative strength, but it can keep going. Oh my god, hold on. So it's still there. Yeah, it's still building, right? You're at 74 on the RSI. It's lower levels than before. Dude, look at all the positive momentum you're just holding. That's crazy on the day, 03 day. My bad. Hold on. My bad. Okay, this is a little better. Yeah, positive momentum's just begun to build, so it could keep building. But remember where we are. We're like 1 peak, 2 peaks, 3 peaks. And 5806. God, that hurt, man. Oh, I'm never not sneezing again for the sake of your ears.
Got to before confuse me along with the weekly MACD. It is a strange pattern along with the fact that the difficulty is holding its ratio in terms of value. Miners are still backing it unlike other coins. Enough for me.
Alright, man, well, keep us updated on it on Musicoin, man, but on the technical side, dude, trading it, oh my god, please. One would not want to trade that unless they're purely speculating for like you know, whatever gains, gambling. But again, we just talked about going to casino. It's way more fun experience. Okay. What's up, Mac W? What's up, Boston Mans? What are you talking about? What? Dude, I have 1080 Ti's, man. I have a 1080 Ti. I have one 1080 Ti completely, specifically devoted to encoding the graphics just for OBS, okay? And then I have one 1080 Ti that runs everything else. So, It's definitely not a GPU issue. It's some sort of software. I think it's an AMD Threadripper idiot issue. I think there's something with AMD. It's always been like that, man, I think. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. You were the one that requested this before, Mr. Mullis, dude. Oh my god. Okay, man. Well, looks like that played out pretty well for it, didn't it, man? No, bearish divergence. Bearish divergence at a 113% retrace. 1618 area. Okay. Gap down, but huge explosion to the upside, bouncing off the 200-day moving average, right? After gapping down. So, big, large green candle. But really, it might, probably not a breakaway. I mean, it could be, because all the volume needs to be red for that. You know, it's like a ton of sellers selling, but you had a lot of buyers, right? So you just got bought up at that 200-day moving average. But what could happen is you just bounce and make lower highs and then just sell off again, right? But man, we got close to that second target. 251 as low as we got, and then the second target was 241. So we were $10 off. Largest spike of negative momentum we've seen since March of 2018. We went from overbought to oversold in like 17 days. So
into the outer reaches of crypto rising music coin, and out comes the true story of keeping back the walls hot. Peter North, Benito, because you like dogs. Oak/BTC, please.
Is that a join?
Let me see here. Sorry, I couldn't hear any of that. My bad. OAX dude, OAX connect. Alright, Top Mullis, man, what do you want from me? What do you want? First target hit, second target not, third target not. Time will go by, and eventually we'll get it, man. I think, right? Look, the thing is, though, I mean, it's like overwhelmingly bullish chart, bullish trend. So it could just play like we hit one target and that's it. We might recover here and then we might run to higher highs. Or, again, it might just be the beginning and we sell off more, okay? But first target, a 50% retrace from a low to high, right? So that's Charles Dow theory. Retrace 50% of the way before running again. So we have reversed our price action at that 50% retrace. So Charles Dow would be proud. Okay. ANET Connect. Beautiful. Very cool. ANET, hello. So Coach K, man. No, I don't think that's the way it is. No, it's not like that, dude. It's really an improvised thing. We've been talking for like, you know, past like 4 days or something like that, 5 days. And I've been out of town, and so I just was like, you know, we were just talking today, and it's like, what are you doing tonight? He's like, oh, I think we're just going out or whatever. What about you? And I was like, I don't really have any plans. I'm like on my way back from Auburn. Like, I didn't have any because I didn't know when I was getting back. And she's like, you should just come out and hang out with us. And it's just like, so it's nothing like what y'all are thinking where she's trying to get. I think it's just because she's already doing something. We didn't have plans. It wasn't like that, you know? So. I agree. She should be forming her own opinion, and that's what's weirding me out. It's like, I don't like that, because I don't want, like, I'd like to talk to her by herself, not with, like, 3 of her friends. That's so weird. I'm sorry, Wonderful Breaks. What was that? I don't even know. Maybe in you. Oh, sorry, Wonderful Breaks. You're in the wrong universe, dude. Okay, my bad, dude. Go back to Bitcoin. Go back to this. JD, why are you always demanding things, dude? Why don't you ever ask, or you like say please, or hey, Mitch, how you doing, man? Why are you always demanding, like, every sentence, JD? I don't understand. Just like a common thing with you. Okay. Really nice though, man. There's so much volume coming in to buy it up at the 200. But you get a lot of times you'll get at 200 moving averages, you'll get like tons of emotionalism that'll come in to buy it up, and then eventually it'll just like demand will dry up, and then it'll sell off. And the second time it won't be dramatic at all. It'll be like kind of bounce, and then you just dump through it. So. Funny threesome jokes. I get it. It's, you know, whatever, man. Like, the bat and the shark. Give me a second. I'm plotting. Oh yeah, that's a bat. So shark. I don't know, man. Let me make sure I got my points right. I'm gonna be plotting. I gotta make sure I've got, you know. I mean, if I'm gonna be like showing this, I gotta make sure I'm giving false information. So I always have these because I just feel more comfortable. What the heck is it, man? Dude, my like, head hurts from like that sneeze, that fake sneeze. Bear shark patterns different. Okay, bear shark patterns, they don't have, it's not XABCD, it's actually 0XABCD. So here, right here, on this first impulse, doesn't matter. When we retrace here, it doesn't matter what we retrace to, okay? And then we're supposed to sell off and make a lower low between the 113% retrace right there and a 1618. So it goes as low as way down here, 1618. And then we could run and hit between an 88.6% retrace. It could stop here. Or we could go as high as the 113% retrace. And that is what we got. That was it. We had that was that shark pattern. It was like dude, it was like on the dot, man. I mean, look at this. Look how perfect this shark pattern was. It was ungodly. Beautiful, man. So that's your difference. And yeah, I mean, it's so weird, dude, because like, how is it 0XABC? There is no D. There is no D on the bat or on the shark, but the 5-0 is the 5. But this one's 0XABC, and there's no D, man. Okay. And you're supposed to go short at the 113% retrace. Is exactly what happened on Arista networks. Okay, so one would take the short right there. Boom, 1, 2, 3, just the way we had it before. So you go a higher low, a lower low, and you've got between a 1618 and a 224% retrace from B to C. Okay, on the bat, it's I believe it's between what was it on that one? I think a 224% retrace. Make sure I got it. Come on, dude. It is between 1618. Okay, so on the bat it's between a 1618 and a 2618. Okay, so this would be fine there. 248.5% retrace. That's fine. B to C, fib extensions. Okay, so that's the difference, man. This is the bat, and this is the shark. Okay, does that help any at all? Any men? Okay, well, JD, it was fun while it lasted, man. You had your chances, but thanks, dude, for being so So unappreciative and demanding, man. It's real nice. Good God. You wanted bat? Here's bat, Chris. You're at the bottom of the channel now. At the bottom. And this was so sad, dude. It's just a false breakout. Or it was just a false development, man. We got in on a perfect entry. We had coinciding variables at a low to high, like 50% retrace, dude. There was just like a failed trade, man. And it happens. And we got close to the neckline. That was the first profit-taking level, but we just didn't make it, man. It was like last weekend when all this developed, and then we like kind of double-topped on a shorter time scale here, and look what it manifested into. Just straight dumpage, dude. You fell below the 200 moving average, 20 and 50. Your 20 bearishly crossed over your 50, and now your 20 is bearishly crossing over your 200. All right. No divergence at all on the 4-hour. There's none. I'm sorry. It's like you make a low on price, lower lows on price, higher levels of negative momentum, lower levels of relative strength. Maybe the daily could help us. No, my goodness. No way, dude. It's like stupid amounts of negative momentum. Really stupid amounts of negative momentum. Let me, I don't know why. That shouldn't be there. Anyway, we get the measurement of that. Okay, get it? But very interesting here. Your largest level of negative momentum of this run, and you're at 44 on the RSI. There's, I mean, maybe low. Let's see. I don't think so, dude. I don't think we've got any kind of harmonic going on. Look at it a little bit, right? Let's go to the 4-hour again. See real quick. I don't think so, man. Man, how sad. It's just like sometimes these things just don't play out. It's not your fault. You don't do anything wrong, but it's a probability game. It's not like a certainty that, oh, we see a pattern, it's going to play out 100%. Otherwise, TA is fake, right? That's not how it works. Just game probabilities. Scam Coin Central. Back 2014, 2015. Guess what? In the year 2021 and the year 2022, we'll look back and be like, hey, look back to 2018 and 2019, dude. Scams.
The Sid Barrett Institute at the 589 has done a study on DB Cooper and the hijacked XRP in 1971. The flux capacitor didn't correctly work, so the DeLorean has disappeared into the crypto abyss, along with BCN. Jalen Hurts Heisman 2019.
Yeah, not very hard to win the Heisman in Oklahoma when all the defenses suck in the Big 12, dude. Kappa. But, hey, man. Don't bring it up, man. I was down in Auburn today, okay? I'm just not... It's all that Auburn energy, dude. Oh, God. Everywhere I went, man. Like the derby party we were at, man. You know, Coach Pearl, you know, the head basketball coach, like I was like literally 3 feet away from him. We were in line together, and I just looked at, like, I didn't shake his hand. I did not reach out. I did not want to meet him, dude. It's like, what am I supposed to do? Take a selfie with him? Like, who like, that is Auburn, dude. Like, I don't care if I meet this guy. Like, and he got like caught cheating at Tennessee. He like got fired for cheating. Like really bad, like video evidence, and they fired him. And then like today at this thing, he was like, and for those, you can say, you can put this on social media. I mean, he screamed at the top of his lungs, those Tennessee people that fired me, what'd he say? They can go to hell. Oh, and all the Auburn fans were freaking out, man. They were just, oh yeah, baby, yeah. It's like, okay. He got fired for reasons, not just cuz. But whatever, man. I don't think you can consider this a wedge, dude. I don't think... I mean, like, it could be developing a wedge now. I mean, there is white space, but, dude, I don't know. 2 downsloping converging trend lines, you can leave it alone like that and see what happens. But if that's the case, man, dude, you can't... You do not want to fall below a historical upsloping channel. February 2019, you've been inside this channel. Don't fall out of that, man. Please don't. For the sake of us all. If you care about BAT and BAT sovereignty, don't fall out. But, you know, if let's just say it did pump the upside, and I don't have any, there's no coinciding variables here. There's none. Not to me, man. I don't see any. And the daily looks terrible. It looks like you could fall much lower. But from your high to low, if you were to break out and run to the upside, and again, this is a big if, 50% retrace, 62% retrace. So easy. Falling wedge. These are the targets with Fibonacci. There you go. 77.43 and 81.33 if it played out. But again, we don't have coinciding variables, so our cake could be just terrible and it could just keep selling, man. Yeah, Billy, man. Yeah, dude. Okay. Dude, stance, man. I did like Ethereum already, like early in the stream. You're trading in VR Bitcoin for beginners? That's crazy, man. What's up, Timothy? Thanks. Hicks are the one doing the first like merger or something across the United States and Canadian border. Which one is that? Oh, we looked at this one. And I don't know why it's been so laggy on TTS. Thanks, dude. Well, let's try to make a historical uptrend. Man, my head hurts from that crap. I like it. I dig it, man. Heartline. Jeez, perfect, man. It's perfect. So not on 3 drives or anything like that. See the 1618 there, and you've since sold off. Oh my god.
It was a pleasure showing you homes today in our lovely city. We look forward to you permanently joining our community. We have good hearts. KGB op a PS if the chug triggers you can have an IOU if you'd like.
Well, you know, I don't even know. I think I have 1 beer left, so I think I'm safe. Dude, Auburn Realtors. And it's funny because my aunt is a realtor in Auburn, so I thought, I was like, what are you? Is that my aunt? Yeah, I'm gonna be moving down to Auburn, dude. Okay, I just need to change scenery. Okay, KGB Kappa. If the chug triggers, you can have an IOU if you'd like. I mean, nah, dude. I don't do IOUs. I don't get in chug debt. I'm not gonna get in chug debt, dude. Thanks, David. 3333 repeating, of course. Oh, man. Ernesto, what are you talking about, dude? Well, dude, Ed, if people like don't give me the pair, if people are just gonna lazily say, if I'm doing a free analysis, Ed, right, a free analysis for somebody, the least they can do is say, can you look at this to this, BAT to the US dollar or BAT to Bitcoin? I don't. It's like I can't win, right? I can't win if someone's just vaguely saying the ticker. And they're saying that's it. I mean, like, I can't win, dude, because you're here saying that. And then somebody, if I looked at the US dollar pair, would say, why are you looking at the US dollar pair? You should be looking at the Bitcoin pair. And it's like, what do I do, man? All right? What do I even do? I'm just saying, man. Okay, anyway. So high to low, you have the 1272, didn't quite get to the 1414 before selling off, bouncing off the 20 moving average. It looks great on 4 hour on the MACD. Jeez, dude, bullish convergence. Let's go to the daily. I'm sure there's some sort of upsloping channel here, right? I'd say perfect, right? You just got this little trend, uptrend, and you're bouncing off the heart line. It's impulse up, downsloping consolidation. Could be set up for higher prices, right? I mean, the top of the channel for you in time, so it takes us time to get there. This would be June 6th or something, $12, right? Hold on, let me get back. Turn my fibs back on. Okay, so yeah, in time you get there, right? Stay in the upper section of the equidistant channel, right? Bounce it as support. But as you can see, we've used it in time as a resistance and then a support many times, and now we're above it and we must hold it, otherwise you're just gonna dump on down to the heart line again, probably, or the bottom of the channel at 930, 931. There is RSI bearish divergence, but very bullish conditions right now. And like, this could have been it. That could have been it, or again, that's more reason why we could sell off, because of the divergence here. But dang, that's super strong if that's all we got. But again, you need more time to go by to see the divergence really plays out. More, okay. What bourbon? I don't know. I mean, Maker's Mark's good. Jim Beam's good. I sometimes like Bushmills Irish Whiskey, too. Sometimes. This is not bourbon, but yeah, dude, I'm down with Jim Beam if you're talking about just bourbon. All right. So there's your hexo, and then oh man, we're going sideways now. Okay, we were in that upsloping channel, and we've now broken it. We've broken it. We're bouncing on the 50 moving average. And you weren't showing any divergence, and you're just going sideways now. Oh, I mean, what would one do? Like, yeah, I mean, to me, like, Bitcoin pairs are... Like, with Bitcoin's dominance up like the way it is, you can clearly see these Bitcoin pairs are performing terribly when Bitcoin is like holding so much dominance and it's just performing so well. Like, US dollar pairs are a lot better, but then it's like some of the US dollar pairs aren't even really doing anything either. So it's just like case by case. Yeah, man. None of these Bitcoin pairs have been very good. Ever since April 1st. But before that, man, there was so much opportunity and so many successful trade setups, okay? Yeah, you probably, I mean, US dollar after a Bitcoin run up and it stays in control.
War Eagle Mitch, did you get Cam Newton's autograph? You should have Bruce Pearl as a guest. 3 Heisman winners in a row, Mitch. The Treesman. Boomer Sooner.
Roll Tide. Hey, Gus Malzahn, I'm sorry, I can't hear you over whipping you last year in Brian Denny, but thanks, dude, for the contribution. And you know what Charles Barkley said? I didn't know this. Charles Barkley said 500 more years could go by and Alabama's still going to be better than Auburn football. And Charles Barkley was like a great basketball player at Auburn. So hey, it came from the horse's mouth, man. You can't make it up, dude. Sorry, man. Yes, Bitcoin for beginners. I'm verified on Brave browser. Yes. Oh my god. Alright, dang, dude, I gotta think about this. It just seems so like I just go out and just waste so much time just getting there and just not going well. Or sure, it could go well, but dude, it's just weird, man. Yeah, J Logan. I see it. I get it. Let me show y'all. See what pops up. I have to like log in every time manually. They doesn't like just keep me logged in. Email. Yeah, you gotta verify every time. So bright, man. Maybe that's not even the right one. Jeez, man. I'm trying to get this up for y'all so you can see it. Just to show you that it is... I am receiving the bat that you send me on Brave. For sure. I got this, dude. Oh, yeah. Alright. Oh, now I have to authenticate. Dang, dude. I'm getting through Fort Knox here, alright? Let's go, dude. Here you go, dude, alright? This is showing. Make sure this is no, yeah, I think we're good. I can show this. So this is like since I started, right? So I'm getting the payouts, and I'm connected to Twitch and YouTube, but I've not verified. I gotta talk to Brian to get verified on the website on mitchraeta.com. So yeah, dude, getting them. So like, thank you everyone for utilizing this form. It was like overwhelming. Like so many people were talking, asking about it. I'm like, okay, yeah, dude. It was a pain in the butt, like figuring it out, like how to like do it all, and I finally did, and it was good, man. All right. So with Aurora Cannabis, man, I don't know, you've fallen out of the channel, dude. That's not, and you've made a lower high than your previous high. That's not what you want to do, man. You don't want to make lower highs. So from the low to high, where the golden retrace you have not touched yet, between 678 and 813 is our target area for just the common retrace before a potential reversal in our price action. Okay, that's it, dude. OAX Connect. See you down at 2177 sats. We'll see you there soon. Oh boy. Trash can coin, Billy, man. Your favorite asset of all time. Aux Connect. Thanks, Ricky W, man. Happy birthday, Kappa. Well, there you go, stay on with Dad. We learn something new every day. But he also said, in 500 years, Bama's still going to be a better football team than Auburn. Boom. That's all that matters. Kentucky Derby Connect. Exactly. Jeez. Bat's working out, dude. What do you mean you need a mechanical keyboard to have one, dude? What are you talking about, dude? Dude, I don't think I've ever really experienced a mechanical keyboard until I just got this new one, this new Corsair K95 Platinum, and it is it's real nice, man. It's the nicest keyboard I've ever owned. Seriously, man. I'd love to be sponsored by someone like Corsair. I mean, because or Logitech, or Elgato, or Nvidia, AMD, NZXT. Anything but an S coin, dude. I will never be sponsored by an S coin ever. Okay, the day that happens, we need to have an intervention, a community to Mitch Ray intervention. All right, it's not happening. It's not. Okay, unless it might be Shark Coin. Okay, Shark Coin will be the only exception. Okay, Kappa. I don't know, man. I'm just off, dude. I'm off from just. Dude, you just get off when you off axis when you just you travel all weekend and you're not being able to sleep much and you're up early and you're up late, right? Y'all are crazy, man. Yeah, Capricorn. Alright, y'all. I don't know. I've been live for like hour and a half now total, or like an hour and 20 minutes or something, just because like started at 10 and now it's, or 11 and now it's 12:24. Yeah, live TA, sponsored by OAX, Open Anx Connect. Yeah, dude. It wasn't compatible with your older computer. Hey man, might be time to upgrade, get some sick RGBs, Corsair RGBs up in that PC, dude. I guess we can just go back to Bitcoin real quick. Dude, I just like, it just would make all the sense in the world for us to sell off, right? Because you're hitting resistance points, extreme resistance points on the weekend, and you for the third time you've rejected prices above the upsloping trend line's resistance, and you made an actual higher high than your previous high with lower levels of relative strength and positive momentum. That's like all bearish stuff, but you're in an uptrend, right? So like you're counter trend trading with a short, but it just makes so much sense why we would sell off here and hit some more targets. We've already hit one, so we can't even be mad, man. There you go, DS. There you go, man. Yeah, Pizza Coin. My favorite coin is Pizza Coin, dude. Yeah. Pizza Coin Connect. Oh, dude. Eggplant. Hey, that video, the crazy one, Thursday night stream, the tip war, it's like, this may not be safe for younger audiences, and I think it's because we were talking about eggplants and the P words, and the algos picked it up, and so he said eggplant and P word, so we have to label it. All right. Gus Malzahn, Ed McCracken, Auburn Realtors Incorporated, Probesman, thank you, dude. Timothy, Janika, Kevin C, Steve Winwood, Todd Mullis, Matthew Chory, Mr. Damon Man, Brooke Alinos, Adrian A, dude, Greg Morgan, man, and Ryson, dude. Thanks for all the Ethereum contributions tonight. Okay, thank you all. Okay, because y'all making, the contributions you make to the stream keep this stream rolling, keeps it to where I don't have to monetize any of my videos, so you don't have to be subjected to scrubs advertising before my stream or any of my videos. It's because of y'all that I've been able to do that, and so I'm so grateful. But just know y'all keep it rolling. So y'all keep coming back. I'll keep coming back. Got my word on that. All right. So I'll be back tomorrow. Maybe a little bit more recharged, refreshed. So until next time, respect the TA.
This is Barrett Institute of the 589.
Adios, turd nuggets.